Hi guys, what's new? Welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are feeling really good, and I hope you are having a great day today. Today I would like to talk to you about this particular perfume. So that will be this perfume. I'm just gonna turn off the light probably. And I would like to basically tell you that I feel very honored, guys, for the possibility to have this perfume, because I hear that very often people are talking about this perfume. It's Badee Al Oud. It's due for something glory, oud for glory, and that perfume is like a hit, you know. Like I heard this a lot of good reviews. Like I heard man, are talking about it. So obviously it's supposed to be very good perfume for man as well, and for women too. It's some kind of royal type of perfume that is really worth getting. First time actually I wanted to buy it some time ago, but I couldn't get it. It was just gone from suppliers. I just simply couldn't get it, and I thought probably maybe this perfume is gone, or is not shipped in my country. But then, it appeared again, and I immediately grabbed it. It was a little bit on the pricier side, like if you compare to other Arabic perfume. This perfume is by LATTAFA, guys. As you can see, guys, LATTAFA is written. It's basically oud for glory, guys, is by LATTAFA. So basically, that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna do unboxing of this particular perfume. Let's, unbox it to see how it goes. Today, guys, it's a very rainy day. There is no sun, there is no light, and it's kind of really like autumn, in my place where I live. It feels really autumny. So that's the perfume, guys, as you can see. Badee Al Oud. Badee Al Oud. I have never had such, yet. Let me see if I could just go to the side. I have never, guys, had such packaging in my life of any type of perfume before. It's kind of velvety. It looks really royal. It looks extremely royal. I'm gonna, guys. Let me see if I could. Okay, let's just actually take it. Let's just take it right now from this particular royal box. I'm gonna open it just like that, and as you can see, the feeling of opening of this perfume is just brilliant, guys. Let's open it. Let's just take it off. So that's how, guys, it looks like when you take it off. Like, isn't it great, this type of packaging? It's probably the best perfume might be that I would have in my collection, but also we will check it out, because first what I need to do is to smell it before I'm going to smell it, guys. I'm going to read a little bit on internet what it says. So this perfume, let's see, what does it say there? So what it says, guys, it's basically warm, spicy oud, fresh, spicy, patchouli, woody, earthy, leather, powdery. At the top, what it says is that it's warm, oud, fresh, spicy. Let's see what else does it say on internet here. So what it says is amber woody fragrance for man and woman. This is a new fragrance, 2020. Maybe that's the reason why it's so popular. It's quite new, this perfume. Top notes: saffron, lavender, and nutmeg. You see how royal it sounds already. Middle notes is oud and patchouli. Like, I believe this perfume will have a lot of depth in it. And it says base notes is agarwood, patchouli, and musk. So you see how many depths is in it already. There is amber, which is deep. There is saffron, which is deep. There is lavender, which is gonna give a lot of interest. There is patchouli and a few times oud. I believe this perfume will be really a hit. I'm gonna put right now this computer So what I heard, guys, that this perfume, there is this particular perfume is Amir Al Oud by Fragrance World, is a little bit different, a little bit similar to this one. So I'm gonna tell you, once I smell it. But let's just kind of appreciate it one more time. The bottle, LATTAFA, everything is LATTAFA. Who actually wouldn't like to have this perfume in their own collection, guys? Like, I would like to have it, and I already have it. I was eyeing on this perfume for quite a long time, because I couldn't get it. But here you are. Let's see if I smell anything without spraying. Something like a little bit oody. I kind of could capture, like, maybe from oud, this opulent oud, from LATTAFA, something like that. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Are you ready? I am ready, guys. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. So this is actually will be very nice perfume, guys. Like, to me, like, opening of this perfume, initial opening reminded me of Opulent Oud and Caid, more like Caid, or perhaps mixed together. So oud and incense right now, like, very beautiful incense is coming through. That type of incense much better than in Caid. It's definitely, it feels like better than Caid, guys. It feels, this perfume definitely gonna have a lot of depth. Basically, let me just have a little bit to rest right now. It was quite beautiful, the opening. Little bit of oud mixed with incense. So those two fragrances, Caid and Opulent Oud, but not as sharp as Opulent Oud, not as sharp. So oud with incense and plus some kind of freshness. Perhaps it comes from lavender. It felt very nice and royal, to be honest. I was a little bit feeling that patchouli too, with my one blocked nose. Like, perhaps I couldn't capture, to the fullest, to the maximum. Let's imagine, let's say, if somebody would pass me by with this perfume. It does feel quite interesting, It doesn't feel too overpowering. It doesn't. It feels kind of warm, So I can say that this perfume is not, Amir Al Oud from Fragrance World is not similar to this one. It's absolutely different. It's not similar. It's quite enjoyable. What I imagined when I bought this perfume, that perhaps I might feel something, either ambery or maybe lactonic. That's what I imagined, but I don't. I think I imagined a little bit more than what I got right now. I really imagined a little bit more. So what it is, this perfume is kind of incensey, interesting type of incensey smell, which, if you would like to have a gentle incense perfume, that would be quite wearable. So that's what it is. It's like a gentle incensey perfume. There's nothing overpowering too much, I think it's quite versatile. Like, it's unisex, perhaps leaning slightly to masculine by 5%, or 10% more masculine. that would be the reason why I think men are talking about this perfume that much. So if you are a man, you can give it a go to this perfume, definitely, without being too much afraid that it will be feminine. So, you can definitely give it a go. It's one of those perfumes. And that incense is actually like light and airy. Probably lavender is that thing that makes it nice. Like, like I don't feel too much amber in it. I don't feel it, not like there's nothing from ragba in it, nothing. Just imagine basically Kaid in a lighter version and more quality. So that's what it is. I would imagine, like, let's say when I will be wearing it in the future, probably what I will experience is it's gonna be this type of warm and cozy type of incensey with tiny bit of oud perfume, like in a cozy way, and slightly airy too because of lavender. But it will not be, it doesn't feel like it will be changing that much, within time. It feels like it's going to be very linear perfume, with perhaps might give you some surprises of these type of cozy waves of the of the smell that can come through suddenly without expecting. So basically, I think what it can surprise you is like with being cozy, incensey type of smell. It's quite wearable, guys, really wearable. Like I said before, I think I expected a little bit more from this perfume, but I can also see that this perfume is better, a little bit better than perhaps is some others, like let's say which one I could mention. Let's say if I would compare Opulent Oud with this one, so this one is definitely better. If I would compare Kaid with this one, then they are both very nice, but this one is more gentle, more gentle, incensey type of smell. And if I could compare some others, they might not be similar because they are turning towards other directions. So this one, as I said before, gentle, safe type of incense type of safe blind buy, if you wish, if you want to experience Middle Eastern perfume. It's nice, guys. I little bit thought it's gonna be different. It's not, but I will be wearing this perfume and we will discover, guys, what it is about this perfume that is, so nice. We're gonna discover. We're gonna discover, guys, together. So here you are. There is no need to ramble, guys, too much about, let's say, I cannot say that, wow, this perfume really like surprised me that much. I cannot say, but I actually really, understand the beauty of this perfume, and I understand, how happy it can make you to have it, but I will not say to you that this perfume is just the best thing that I ever had. I cannot say, because perhaps it's possible that maybe perhaps I enjoy maybe Ragba more, or Ana Beatrice I might enjoy more than this, but I will definitely enjoy this one too, as much as possible. I will try as well to capture the beauty of this perfume in the future. But as for right now, if you want to get this perfume, yes, there is nothing to be afraid about this perfume. Maybe that's why people buy it, because it's kind of safe type of situation. Safe type. It's not like Opulent Oud that can be repulsive. So for that reason, guys, don't be afraid of this perfume, and you can actually get it, especially when the bottle looks so nice. So why not, isn't it? I show you one more last time, and I will say to you bye bye, everybody. I wish you to have a really beautiful day with your perfumes that you have, and let me know your opinions about this particular perfume or any other perfume that you are thinking to get it soon. And bye bye, guys. See you soon.